This guy is pissed and he lets these cops have it.
Bring your ass in here. I dare you. I dare you to come in here. I dare you. I dare you to come in here with a gun out in my house. Take me to jail. I'm being disorderly. Here you go. Take me to jail. Because you a hoe. Take me to jail. What's wrong with you? Go get my property. Come back here and take my complaint. Go get my property. Right the fuck now. Come back here and take it.
I gotta admit, knowing what we know about cops and their tyrannical actions, this was a tad enjoyable. Okay, it was really enjoyable. And stay tuned because this guy is not finished.
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
So here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
So here's the deal.
But here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Well, here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
So here's the deal.
And here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Because here's the deal.
Here's the deal. Either give me your ID or you go to jail. How about that?
Catch me outside. How about that?
How about that?
How about that? Here's the deal.
Welcome back to the Here's the Deal channel. All right, let's watch some more of this and see if we can determine exactly why this guy is so upset.
Bring your ass back here and take my complaint. Shut the fuck up. I can yell whoever the fuck I want. I'm in my house. Come on in. Come on in. Come on in. Why not? You came here last time with a gun. Bring your ass in here. I dare you. I dare you to come in here. I dare you. I dare you to come in here with a gun out in my house. Hell yeah, you came in my house with a gun. What's wrong with you? Go get my property. Come back here and take my complaint. Go get my property. Right the fuck now. Come back here and take it. Go get my property and come back here. Go get my property and come back here. I might rape you. Y'all woke me up with a gun in my face, you bitch. Nigga, you's a hoe. I wish you would. Nigga, you take that out, beat your ass. I wish you would.
He just said, you woke me up with a gun in my face. And I don't know if you caught it, but this cop right here who looks like Tim Pool, does this guy not look like Tim Pool? Said to this guy, you're being irrational. Well, how are you expected to act if what this guy said is true, if they came into the wrong place, or if they came into the right place and this guy was innocent and they woke him up with guns in his face? Are you expected at that point to be a rational human being?
I wish you would, nigga. You take that out, beat your ass. I wish you would. You too. And you know I'll whoop your ass.
Do you want to understand what's
No, I don't want to understand shit. I want you to go get my property, come back here, and take my complaint. So you not, so wait, you're not going to get my property and come back here. That's why y'all leaving, because y'all hoes. Okay. All of y'all some bitches. Y'all some hoes. Right. You know you a hoe. Do something. Do something. Do something. You whole ass, you's a bitch. Okay. You's a bitch. You's a bitch in my eyes. You know you a bitch. That's why you ain't doing shit.
Usually cops don't allow themselves to be treated like this, to be verbally berated. It really hurts their feelings and damages their egos. So it could be that this guy with the red hoodie is in the right and the cops are in the wrong. That's probably why they're standing down like this, because usually a cop's ego will get the best of him, and it'll be like, especially when there's multiple cops on the scene, you ain't talking to my thin blue line gang member like that. You ain't going to berate us. You're not going to disrespect us, even though every time we go out into public, we do things that are disrespectful and we don't deserve respect.
You know you a bitch. That's why you ain't doing shit. Because I didn't do nothing. Y'all came in the house, woke me up with a fucking gun in my face. Do something, ho. Do something. Do something. Hell yeah. Nobody came to your house with your kids with a fucking gun. Bitch ass nigga.
All right, so that adds another element to it. Not only did they come in, sounds like they busted into his house, woke him up with guns in his face, if what he's saying is true, and to add another layer to this, his kids were in there. So obviously he's very upset. He doesn't want his kids to be in danger. He doesn't want his kids to be subject to this kind of action because it could leave them with, you know, some pretty serious PTSDs. You know, kids tend to get upset about this kind of stuff when you're threatening the life of their parents. Gee, I wonder why.
Do something then. Do something. Then do something. Take me to jail then. Take me
You're disorderly, man.
to jail. I'm being disorderly. Here you go. Take me to jail. Because you a hoe. You's a whole hoe. Shut the f*** up.
Look at this guy right here. Look at this cop in the back scratching his head. He's like, why the hell did I make this career choice? I mean, we're out here supposed to be protecting and serving, and all I do in call after call with my fellow Thin Blue Line members, maybe he's having a moment of conscience right here. All I'm doing with my fellow Thin Blue Line members is we're just making people's lives worse. I wouldn't want to be woken up with a gun in my face with my wife and kids in the house. This is crazy. What are we doing? I don't know. Maybe he's not thinking that. Wishful thinking on my part.
You go. Take me to jail. Because you a hoe. You's a whole hoe. Shut the f*** up, bitch. Shut the f*** up. Don't tell me nigga, bitch, I'll stay here all night.
Go
Ain't
ahead,
gonna
son.
do shit. No. Take me to jail. No. Bitch, take me to jail. I'm not going nowhere. And I'm following your bitch ass back to the police station. Take me to jail. Y'all came in my house with a gun in my face. My kid in there. Are you fucking kidding me? That's why you standing there, because you know if I did that to you, you would kill me. And bitch, you know how I feel right now.
Man, I'm so glad that he said that. It's like we always say on this channel, these cops get away with doing things where if you did the exact same thing, you would be going to jail. You would rightly be arrested. You would rightly get a long prison sentence. They never put themselves in the shoes of the people that they oppress. I don't think that oppressors, true psychopathic oppressors, have the ability to be empathetic to people like this. When other people in this situation, they don't care. When they're in this situation, they do care, but they can't put themselves in somebody else's shoes. And like this guy said, you know you're not doing anything to me right now because you know that what you did to me, you wouldn't want me doing that to you. You'd be doing the same thing. You'd be acting all irrational as well.
Do something. I swear, do something. Swing, do something. You ain't gonna do because you're not gonna do shit because you a bitch.
Why would I do that?
Because you a bitch.
Okay.
Y'all need guns and all this motherfucking other shit. Bitch, get out of my house. Go. Go. All right, then I'm gonna dog the fuck out of you while you in the hallway. Bitch, something like that. Fuck you. Do something.
Okay.
Do something. Take me to jail. Do something.
What's your complaint?
Don't tell me to do something. Go get my property, bring it back here, or take me to jail. Go get my property, bring it back here, or take me to jail. I'm never gonna calm down because you're a.
So the cop said, you're not getting your property. I don't know what property it was that was taken, but the cop is basically admitting, yeah, we took your property. Well, what if we took your property, officer? What if we broke into your home, officer? What if we put a gun in your face, officer, while your kids and your wife are in there? How would you feel about that?
I'm never gonna calm down, you whole ass bitch. I know you're not gonna do nothing. Bitch, listen to her. Listen to your hoe. Listen to her. Listen to her. You need to leave. Why you not arresting me? Why? Why you not arresting me? I'm gonna dog the shit out of y'all hoes. Bitch ass. You's a bitch. You's a bitch. And you's a hoe. I dare you to do something. Right, exactly. Have a great night, you hoe ass bitch.
See, people are getting fed up. They don't like the way cops are treating them. Here's another example of this. And by the way, I took out a lot of the explicatives because of YouTube's terms of service. If you want to look at the original videos, I will have them posted in the description and the pinned comment. But this is another example of another man who's fed up with law enforcement.
These right here, this is the reason why I will never fuck with cops. Fuck this nigga, he broke. Fuck all of these niggas. Fuck you, and fuck you.
So why are people so upset with cops? Maybe they're upset with cops because they're sick of grandmothers with dementia like 72-year-old Karen Garner, who was abused by the Loveland Police Department. Maybe they're sick of their sons or husbands like Daniel Shaver being summarily executed in hotel hallways like they did in Mesa, Arizona. Maybe they're sick and tired of homeless people like James Boyd, who I think that was in Albuquerque, and Kelly Thomas, who was beaten to death, and that was in Fullerton, California. It doesn't matter if you're in Arizona, California, New York City, Florida. It's happening all over the place. Maybe they don't want tyrants tasing fathers like Johnny Wheatcroft in front of their screaming kids like they did in Glendale. Maybe they don't think it's a good idea for cops to tackle and abuse little kids and get on top of them. These just little 80-pound kids with twig arms, 42-year-old cops getting on top of them and just pummeling them. Something that Brandon Tatum calls just softening them up. And what did the kid do? He was buying tobacco products on the street. Yeah, maybe he shouldn't have been doing that. Maybe it's a parental failure. But I'll tell you this, if I was driving in my neighborhood and I saw a parent doing that to their own kids, I think I would stop, pull over, and try to get the parent off the kid, even though that's his kid. Nobody's got the right to abuse somebody. Nobody's got the right to abuse their power on somebody who is clearly weaker than them. So this guy went off on these cops, and maybe rightly so, maybe not rightly so. I don't know the entire story, but I do know that people are sick and tired of the oppression of tyrants who claim to be serving and protecting, but they turn around and do nothing but harassing and collecting from the people that they're supposed to be there helping. Leave your thoughts about this for the world and the global thought police in the comment section below. Remember, the price of freedom is now and will always be eternal vigilance. Indifference to this notion is the means by which the people have and will secure their own oppression. If you want to support the channel, the links are in the description. I'll also put the links for the videos that we saw in the description and in the pinned comment. I will see you in the next video.